Hey everybody, we're getting ready for Scrubfest IV. We've got 6 or 7 speakers at this point, talking about food forests, Florida gardening, southern gardening. But we also are here at the Scrubland Farms nursery, which is truly epic. It's got peaches and nectarines and plums and apples and a bunch of varieties of mulberry. Sam knows a lot about mulberries, so he has been collecting varieties and testing them. He's got a bunch of them planted out here, and he can tell you everything you need to know about them. This is a whole new nursery area since last time. There's all kinds of citrus here, including some cold hardy satsumas and oranges, blood oranges and all kinds of things. This is your friendly neighborhood Cynthia.
Hi.
And as you go through here, you can see he's got multiple varieties of persimmons, and actually out here in his lot too, he has persimmons that are in fruit, so you can actually see what they look like. He's got the astringent, the non-astringent. We've got pears. And as you come back here, check this out. He built his nursery underneath these beautiful live oaks. So you can just stroll through, and there are natives and pollinator plants, all kinds of useful non-invasive bamboo. There are herbs, and just a huge amount. If you were going to do an edible landscape, or if you were doing a native garden or a butterfly garden or a food forest or a grocery row garden, there's so much back here. It's got cold hardier varieties of bananas and pineapple, guava, and passion fruit. He's even got tea over here. You can see green tea and bay leaf, coffee plants. Those are edible leaf hibiscus varieties right there. They taste like a lettuce. Multiple varieties of bananas, perennial herbs and vegetables. Look at this one here. This is Musa velutina, which is a cold hardy edible wild form of banana, pink banana. Pineapples and bananas. I would put this in my landscaping right here. This is arrowroot. Look at these gingers. This is the variegated spiral ginger. And if you pull the inside of the bloom out, they taste just like grapes. There's turmeric, taro, devil's backbone. It's got medicinal uses. Look at it, just keeps going. There's nursery all through here. So anyhow, we're gonna be doing Scrubfest tomorrow with all of our speakers. That zebra longwing. We've got Stan DeFreitas, the author of Florida Gardening, who's going to be coming and seed the stars with all their rare seeds. We're going to be there. We've got some really good quality machetes. We've got books, t-shirts, and then I've got a collection of my own rare, edible, useful, medicinal plants. And also, we're gonna be having Tim Armstrong from Eat Your Yard Jacksonville. Great food forest guy, great guy all around. Knows a lot about Florida gardening, perennial agriculture, permaculture. We'll also have Elise Pickett from the Urban Harvest. If you don't follow her channel, you should. Chibutakabas. Check that out. He's actually been growing them outside here, and they have not frozen. Keeps going. Anyhow, I hope to see y'all. We are going to be having a lot of fun, and it is a once a year teaching event and experience and food forest inspiration. Plus there's just tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of rare food forest plants that you're not going to see elsewhere. So it's worth making the destination. Remember, kids do get in for free. Doesn't matter how many kids you have, you can bring them. It's free. They're the future. I wanted to show you here just to close it out. Look at these beautiful, beautiful persimmons. Come on by and see us at Scrubfest. I will put a link to get tickets below, and visit Scrubland Farms Nursery right here north of Fort McCoy, Florida. God bless you all. Hope to see you tomorrow at Scrubfest 4.